Yes.
All right, so second day, here we are. We're on the expedition with Frack. First weekend, we were able to make some good cuts. Got the lengthwise on both sides done. That was painstaking. That was not fun. That was horrible. Horrible. It took how long? 8 hours?
To do two sides?
2 straight cuts. It was horrendous. What is the plan?
Do I have a plan?
Tell me what the plan is. I need to know this.
No, what plan? We're just making stuff. That's it.
But why are you cutting so much? Tell me your plan.
To make you work harder.
It's Michael's dad. Oh, exciting. All right, so we're gonna make the
Mounting brackets.
mounting brackets. Okay.
Try to get the sides mounted today.
Okay. Sides mounted.
The front, the back mounted.
Okay.
And then what is it? Monday or Tuesday, the aluminum, the extruded aluminum comes in.
T-slotted.
Yeah.
T-slotted aluminum. That's gonna be what holds on the tent and all the gear. Right.
So next week we should have this all finished.
Black wheels, black tires, black car, black roof rack. Bada bing, bada boom. How long is this actually gonna take us overall, you think?
I have no idea.
Okay. Think about 2 weekends worth?
Sure.
Maybe 2.5?
8 hours a day.
No, 8 hours a day. Okay. Then why are we doing this?
I don't know. Ask Jacob.
What? there is literally no. We couldn't find any expedition with fracks, right?
No.
I didn't see any out there. Yeah, there's none really out there. There are some generic ones. You just kind of have to make work, but you know, we want a little better than that.
Want to look good.
Yeah, we want something to look good, something solid.
I mean, Jacob's cutting it, so.
Hey, but you're supervising. So this is your project.
Exactly.
You're putting your thumb of approval on it.
It'll look good.
So it'll look good.
Just don't look close.
Right? Main goal, get the roof rack on, get the roof tent on, so we can go out and play with you guys. Go to all your cool spots, all your awesome, perfect camping spots, and have fun.
Absolutely. Stay tuned.
Okay, so we got our brackets bolted down. This is a piece that we cut last week with my amazingly straight angled cut right here. Go ahead, what are we gonna do?
You're gonna hold this up there.
Hold it up there.
All right, we're gonna hold it straight. I'm gonna go in, put the brackets in, and we're gonna tack the brackets down.
Okay.
And after that, we'll weld the brackets up, put this back up there, clamp it down, and we'll bolt everything together.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
Cut.
You're so close to my hand. You're locked in?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just hold it back down.
Yeah.
Great,
Nice.
Dad?
It looks great. Yeah.
That looks awesome right there.
No, it's not it. Still looks straight, Dad? All the way back? Still look good?
It does, yeah, it looks good.
Yeah?
Look from the back.
How's the back look? Wow. Does it look good?
Not gonna fit down in that cradle. Looks good to me, yep. You gotta take all the clamps off so you can really take the seat out. You look good though. Yeah, it looks good.
Straighter?
Nice jump.
Okay.
So angry. Like it?
So far, so good. So far.
Our bracket's all set up. Side rail on the roof rack is straight as an arrow. Ready to weld it in place.
Enjoy your cool air, okay? Enjoy it in silence.
Aww,
Just shut up, what goes on?
you love me more.
No, you don't.
Oh, Michael's got a soft spot.
Not for you, not right now.
You go back to them.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, that looks pretty damn good. Yeah, look from the back. Yeah. Looks pretty damn good.
Get the shark fin to fit for the antenna,
The bottom here,
satellite radio.
you just have to go deeper on the top.
So that way that will have
When it hits your hip, you gotta straighten out a little bit.
radio and navigation while we're still in the car. We don't have to remove the antenna. Just gotta trace out the cuts we're gonna make for the steel. Right, Mike?
Yeah.
Yep.
Straightening out our template.
I only did the one side. You didn't catch the other one, right?
Alright, I'm gonna do the other side.
What position is it? Okay.
OEM technician trainee.
Okay. I think now all you need to do, Michael, is take it out of the center. You gotta come to the center more. Okay. Big. Yes, okay.
Back out fresh on the scene. 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 Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team.
Franchise best on the team.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene.